Okay, this is a pretty exciting day for us. This is made by Stream Machine. This is the Monster Ball, the underwater sports ball. And it is a really fun ball, basically neutral buoyancy at its best. These are a really interesting visual phenomena. Well, I'll get the underwater camera a little bit later and we'll show you how it works and I'll also show you how to inflate it. But basically, it's just a rubber ball that you inflate with a garden hose. It's got a special adapter attached to your garden hose to fill it up. And this is the ball. It can be either red, green, or blue. This is kind of a steel blue. And you can pass it or bounce it underwater, and it's just visually exciting to watch. I'll get our underwater camera and we'll take it out and, for a spin. And one of the best parts about this, besides being kind of a novelty pool toy, is that it won't break your bank. This is going to cost you around $10. So let's open it up real quick, enjoy some banjo music, and we'll inflate it. Nothing too cosmic. They do give you step-by-step instructions, which we will follow. They give you a special garden hose, threaded needle with a little water spout that will go into the ball, and the ball itself. There's the spot. This one has a little face on it. That's pretty cool. A little decal face. We'll take this out to the garden hose and fill it up. Okay, just hook up a garden hose with that little adapter. Do this with the water off. Okay, then that little needle right here is going to go in the hole there. Careful, it says, not to puncture the plastic or the rubber. And then have someone support it. And I've got my helper here. You just hold that. I'm going to go turn on the water.
Can feel it.
Do you feel anything going in there?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I feel it.
Okay, it's supposed to be about 8 or 9 inches. We're going to go over and I'm going to walk over and shut the water off really quick. Okay, what we're left with is a nice ball, pretty heavy. What it's supposed to do is sink to the bottom of the pool and then bounce up. So we're going to take it over here. Big splash. Okay, and it has a little bit more air than we want because it comes up to the surface. So we want it to bounce more than that. So we're going to pull it out and add a little bit more water, and that'll get rid of some of the air in there. This is cool. So the air bubbles should come to the top. We're going to carefully reinsert this. I heard a little air escape, so we're going to try it one more time. Very nice. We'll get the underwater camera and play with it. And as long as you keep it in the water and don't throw it on top of the water or outside, it should last a few seasons. So the kids will love it. It's for underwater passing, not above the water, because it's,